Hey, what's up? Today we're going to be making German Christmas bread. Many like to call it Stollen, but my German friends call it Stollen. It's a sweet, amazing festive bread loaded with dry fruits, candied peel, almonds, and a giant piece of marzipan at the middle of the bread. Oh my god. Anyway, this month I'm going to make some of my favorite festive breads. And this is going to be the first episode, so don't miss it. Let's get into this, shall we? Remember the fruit yeast we made couple of months ago? If you haven't watched that video yet, please watch. I made a Poolish with 100 gram of yeast water and 100 gram flour 12 hours in advance. Beautiful. Next thing, candied peel. You can buy it from the store, but the best is to make it at home. It's super easy. Let me show you how. Cut the top and bottom to make it stable. Now go ahead and peel off this beautiful orange. You need a sharp knife and little bit of patience. Also, peel the excess white if you don't want too much bitterness. Please do it carefully. We need a gorgeous peel like this. Now use your culinary arts talent and cut them julienne. Don't rush, we don't want to impress anyone. Now turn and dice slowly and properly. Congratulations, we are almost done. Now we deserve a piece of orange. It's vitamin C and we need to freshen up. Into the pot, cover it with water. Bring them to boil, rinse them. Do this 2 times at least. Then you can add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar and let them cook until they are gorgeous like this. Into the bowl, followed by half a cup chopped almonds and 2/3 of the cup raisins. Now the secret of this recipe, we need 2-3 tablespoons of a good black rum. If you don't like alcohol, you can soak them in orange juice or even water. Since it's holiday season, I'm gonna add a little bit more, but not too much. We don't want to throw anything. And let them sit overnight. The next beautiful morning, we're gonna start making the dough. In a medium-sized bowl, add 20 gram sugar, 5 gram salt, and your favorite mixed spices. Now wet ingredients, 240 gram milk and 2 eggs. Mixy. Go ahead and add the fruit yeast Poolish, which is 100 grams, followed by pinch of yeast, this is totally optional, and 500 grams bread strong flour. Mix everything together. If you have a stand mixer, everything into the mixer and mix it. Now the dough comes together, time to bring it on the surface and introduce 100 grams good quality butter. Of course, the butter is room temperature. Now I'm gonna fold the dough and trap the butter inside. And I'm gonna slowly start to knead this bad boy. Of course, eventually the butter will come out and you think you never success and this never come together. But don't panic, trust me and keep going. If it's so messy, use a scraper. Your best buddy at this stage. A good 8 to 10 minutes of kneading. Knead it, use a scraper, then knead it, stretch and fold, whatever technique you know. Now that we have a non-stick strong dough, go ahead, round it up with the help of the surface into the bowl. Cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Remember those fillings soaked in the rum? Time to bring the dough on the surface. Open it up and add as much filling as possible. The smell gonna kill me. Now go ahead and fold the dough. Again, I'm gonna trap the filling inside the dough and start kneading it. Again, the dough might tear apart, but don't worry. Keep going. This time knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once everything mixed properly, Go ahead, round the dough and use the scraper a couple of times. Then clean your hand and the surface into the bowl and let it rise. At my room temperature, which is 26 degrees Celsius, it takes around 4.5 hours. Again, the dough should look like this, puffy, airy, and almost double in size. Now we need about 100 grams of marzipan or almond paste. If you can find the white one, definitely would be better. Roll them beautifully like this. I have 3 of them. Time to sprinkle little flour and bring the dough on the surface. I'm gonna make 2 large Stollen. Open it up a little bit. You can even use a roller if you want. An oval shape, something like this. For the first one, I'm going to use 2 pieces of marzipan. Simply fold the dough on each piece and close everything properly. For second one, I use 1 piece of marzipan and fold it like a taco. On a baking tray, cover them, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and 1 hour later, time to egg brush. Bake them about 35 to 40 minutes. Or until they golden brown like this. Beautiful, right? Now I have lots of melted butter followed by tablespoon of rum, and I'm gonna let them to cool down completely. Now bring a piece of wax paper. In bakery, they literally soak them in the butter, but a generous brushing would be okay. And now, for the love of Christmas, go ahead and cover this bad boy with icing sugar. They say the best is to wrap it up beautifully and eat it after a couple of weeks. And to be honest, wrapping and packaging is not my thing. But hopefully I can show you a simple example. I know it's not perfect, but I think you get the idea, right? And this can be a simple, sweet Christmas gift. Now the important question is, can I wait 2 weeks to try it? Of course not. I mean, oh my God, look at this piece of beauty. And my favorite part, tasting. I wish you could smell it from there. Oh my God, it's fantastic. Give it a try. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself. Happy holiday, everyone.